Okay, hello everyone. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos, but we're back with our Whelen command tutorial, and this has been something that a lot of people have been asking me to do, so I'm going to do it. And what this is setting up, after your panic event, setting up a flood state where all your front white lights go steady white. So this is pretty easy, and I've done it via just setting up another virtual input here. So we already have it set up, so what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our event real quick and take a look at it. So this is our panic event. You can watch my previous video on how to set this up. And what this does is it sets a panic virtual input that we have set up here. And what this panic virtual input does, this is what actually turns on the lights to flash in that all white and turn on the siren. And so what we also did is we added in a panic flood virtual event. So as you can see, what this does is this also turns on all the front white lights on a steady white. So we're also going to make sure that nothing really flashes through, so we'll just turn off all the other colors just real quick. But this is really simple in that all you do is when your panic event occurs, go into your inputs, your panic virtual input goes to next state, and your panic flood event goes to next state. How this will work is, since the panic event here, this virtual input, this is on a variable timer of 8 seconds, and so once that's turned on, it'll do its panic event. And then the panic flood is just a normal virtual timer that'll virtual input, this is not timed, and this will just simply turn on. And because the panic is on a priority override, that will override the panic flood, which just simply turns on the lights. This actually flashes them. So once the panic event is over, the panic flood will take over, and that will just give you that front white wall of scene lighting that you may want in a panic event. So due to my USB-C cable that will actually connect into my core not cooperating with me today, I won't have a video of how this looks on my vehicle, but I will probably upload into the Whelen command group a video once I get a new USB-C cable of how this looks afterwards. Now, because I haven't been able to test this, I can't say for sure that it will work this way, but based upon my previous experience with virtual inputs and timers, this will theoretically work this way, because panic and flood event is simply being turned on and there's nothing overriding it telling it turn off. So once that panic event's done, the panic flood event will take over and override these patterns. So that's how you turn on flood lighting after a panic event in Whelen command for Whelen core, carbide, Candrel, whatever your flavor is. This is it. So, of course, if anybody has any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And, of course, spread this around. I'm not really trying to make this like a big channel or anything. I'm just doing this in my free time. I'm a full-time college student right now, so that's why this video is a little bit delayed. But I'm just here trying to help everyone out, especially people who are new into this, because a lot of people are intimidated by all the programming. So, just trying to help people out. Again, Whelen has a great resource of videos for core and command. They've been very great with putting those out. And of course, if you're on Facebook, join the Whelen command group, because it is a awesome resource of information for everything you need in terms of software programming in Whelen command. You got an issue, post it there. Somebody will help us out. And I'm also a moderator there now, so of course I gotta give a little shout out to them, because the group's awesome. I've learned a lot from it, and I've been able to help other people out through it. So once again, if anybody has any questions or anything, leave a comment, or if you know me on Facebook, shoot me a message or post it in the group, and any one of us will be happy to help you out. So I'll probably try and find another topic for my next video. maybe it'll be Blueprint, but I don't know. Maybe we'll go over the what advantages and disadvantages Core and Blueprint have over each other, since I've been trained in both. But I'll figure that out later. Anyways, I hope you all have a great day.